Good morning and welcome to Get of Fame TV network. My name is Peter Machika and I'm your host. If you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so. This is to help our channel to grow. Okay, let us get into it. Yesterday, the internet was buzzing about the actor and filmmaker Tyler Perry. This is after Derek Dixon sued him for sexual accusations. This is after Derek Dixon issued a statement actually that claiming that Tyler Perry has been assaulting him sexually. So Derek Dixon is an actor. So there have been many news that have come out, even the BBC reporting that the actor, some they say maybe he wants the popularity because of he was having 300 followers on his Instagram account, but now he's sitting over like 1 million because of this scandal. So some they have come forward, like the likes of 50 Cent supporting Tyler Perry. So 50 Cent came forward just to show how much he's supporting Tyler Perry on this case. So we don't know, maybe it's true or it's not, but Derek Dixon, he's suing like Tyler Perry 2.60 million US dollars. So we don't know how things are going to turn out, but then we don't know whether it's true. Maybe Tyler Perry he did it to Derek Dixon or not, but then it's the case that is trending at the moment. Just comment down below, let us hear your option, let us hear about your opinion in this situation. Danko.